Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. And this is your GK class. I am going to do some revision work. Okay? Because now almost your whole portion is completed for the class test 2. Okay, whatever you have to study in class test 2 examination, whole portion is completed, and now we will do the revision one by one. And my dear, pay attention in the class also and do the revision. If you are not studying, our effort is useless. So give some importance to our effort also and do the revision very nicely. Each and every question you will and answers you will learn and write in your copy. Now I am sharing you the slides. Wait. See, here are some questions. Read the clues and answer. Write the answers. And the clue is we use this to go up and down in the building. And what we use? Stairs. And this is from which chapter? Always in plurals. Always in plurals. Something which we use always in plurals. We don't use in single piece. Like spectacles which I am wearing. See, this is not written as a spectacle. It is written as spectacles. Because these things are having either two parts or two things we use together or two identical parts. Like this left eye, right eye and left eye. Like that only stairs we don't use alone. We use it in plural form and it is stairs. Now some more example we will see related to this, to the words which we use always in plurals. See, we use this with our mobile and I have given you the picture. What is this? Earphones. Earphones is also having two identical parts. One in my right ear and one in my left ear. Isn't it? Stars, we see it in the sky after sunset. And what you see? You see definitely moon also, but stars. We don't write star, we write stars. Because stars are also, we use always in plural. It doesn't come alone in the sky, it is always in the sky. Only the thing is, we can't see it in the sky during daytime. Because sun is so bright that we are not able to see. So we always see stars in plural number. Now see, dark glasses to protect the eyes from the sun. I will show you the picture after this slide. And what is that? We use goggles, isn't it? Because when we walk in the sunshine, in the summer season, it is too bright and it is very difficult to see. For me, it is difficult to see, my dear. And what happens? Means our eyes are closed due to so bright sunlight. So, and if we use the goggles, it looks a little cool, little calm, and it gives relaxation to our eyes. Now, we deposit it in the bank, and definitely money, but that is the part of our savings. Why? Whatever we earn for our expenditure. But if we are doing some savings from that earning, we deposit it in the bank. We use this to cut paper or cloth. And what we use to cut cloth or paper? Scissor. Now see, I am showing you this is the picture of the goggles. And we write it in plural. Now I will show you the next picture. These are our savings, 10 rupee notes. And we write it in plural. Next question, scissor. Next answer is scissors. This also we use plural. Now let us see the next question. Here you have to answer some questions. Okay? And which monument is built in commemoration of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers? And it is India Gate. India Gate was built in the commemoration of more than 80 Indian soldiers who participated in the First World War as well as India and Bangladesh war. When it was Bangladesh war, there also Indian soldiers died, and it is the memory of those soldiers. See the picture of India Gate. This is the picture of India Gate. Where is India Gate located? And the India Gate is located in New Delhi. We will add here in New Delhi. My dear, if you will copy the answer from the question, half the part of it, there will be minimum mistakes. That's why always I am teaching you from where we will start, what we will add in the question, and it will become an answer. Okay? Now what is the another name of India Gate? And another name of India Gate is our Indian Army Stone. Because Indian Army who participated, in their memory only it is built. Now why do animals make sound? And this is very interesting, why we people make sound. We people make sound to convey, to send our message, to express our feelings, emotions. We talk, we make sounds. Like that only animals are also there. They make sound to convey their message, feelings, whatever it is, to their fellow animals. And for that only they make sound. And the sound of different animal is named different. They are like dog barks, snake hisses, cat mews. So the sound of different animals are having different name. We will revise that also in the later. We will have revision class in that. So this is the simple question, why do animals make sound? And like we human being, they make sound to communicate with their fellow animals. And one type of, suppose cow, the sound of all the cows are almost same. Sound of some sparrow which chirps, they make same sound. You will see cuckoo, all the cuckoos make same melodious sound. Like that only same types of animal make same sounds, which we will study later. Now who was the founder of Indian National Army? And my dear, it is Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose who was the founder of, it is dot, Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose is the founder of Indian National Army. I am showing you the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose. This is the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose. Which freedom fighter played a great role in the integration of 500 princely states of India? And that leader was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These peoples are our freedom fighters, my dear, who fought in the war of independence for our country. And by different ways they fought. By uniting someone, by encouraging someone. Some people were writing in the journals. Some people like Rabindranath Tagore were writing poems and songs to encourage our freedom fighters. So in different ways they participated. This is the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was also called Lopu Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India, for its firm decision making capacity. Now, my dear, you will write CWN date in your copy. You will give the heading. You will write revision work. And in very neat and clean handwriting, you will do your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.